As a parent of a child with autism, this news hits me hard. The federal government just fired the entire special needs office from the Department of Education. Now, for some people, that just seems like another headline. But for families like mine, these aren't just staffers and everyday workers. They're advocates. They're the people making sure our kids get the support and protection they deserve. Firing them isn't just a budget move. It's a betrayal of families who depend on this system every single day. Our children deserve better. They deserve a government that stands with them and not one that turns its back on them. And that's why I'm running for Congress, to fight for families like mine, to fully fund special education, and to make sure every child, no matter their ability, has a fair shot at success. This isn't politics for me. It's personal. If you believe like I believe, please join the movement today. Go to bernardtaylor.forcongress.org or go to the link in my bio and contribute to the campaign. Thank you.